Shrink your jersey safely, a step-by-step guide.
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a common issue that many of us face: how to shrink a jersey size without damaging it. Whether you've got a jersey that's just a bit too large, or you've recently lost weight, we've got a process for you that's gentle on your clothes and effective at shrinking them. Let's get started.
What materials do you need?
Firstly, let's prepare all the necessary tools and materials. For this process, you'll need your jersey, a washing machine, mild laundry detergent, a sink or basin, cold water, a towel, a clothes dryer, optional. Remember, the key here is to shrink your jersey without causing any damage. So, we'll be using a gentle method to avoid harming the fabric.
How do you pre-treat your jersey?
The first step is to pre-treat your jersey. You should wash it in the washing machine with cold water and a mild detergent. Cold water is vital here because hot water can cause the color to fade and the fabric to degrade.
How do you soak your jersey?
Once the jersey is clean, fill your sink or basin with cold water and soak the jersey in it for about 15 minutes. This step allows the fibers in the jersey to relax, making the shrinking process more effective.
How do you dry your jersey?
After soaking, do not wring the jersey to avoid stretching the fibers. Instead, roll it in a towel to remove excess water. You can then choose to air dry it or use a clothes dryer. If you choose to air dry, simply lay the jersey flat on a dry towel and let it dry naturally. Keep it away from direct sunlight to prevent any color fading. If you choose to use a clothes dryer, remember to set it on the lowest heat setting. Too much heat can damage the fabric. Dry the jersey partially, and then let it air dry to complete the process. And that's it. Now you know how to shrink your jersey size without damaging it. Remember, this is a gentle process and may not result in significant size reduction. It's always better to buy the correct size initially, but if you need a little adjustment, this method can help. Thanks for watching, and we hope you find this information useful.